How do you start looking for homes for sale? Where do you find the best homes at the best prices? I'm Brian Khatambakhsh with another episode of my real estate tips in my car. Every day when I'm going to work, I give some tips to people about the real estate. And the topic of today is, how do you start finding that best home? I had an open house this weekend and find out that a lot of people just randomly either go online, Google, and start searching, going to the homes, or they just drive around and see something. Oh, let's just go see this house and let's go see that house. How effective is that? Does it really work? I don't know. Does it? Do you really get the homes that match what you're looking for as soon as they become available, or before they become available? How do you know about the ones that are not in the market yet? What's in the market, it's usually late, old. It has some delays. The best home that comes in the market and goes at a very, very good price are the ones that real estate agents have access to, and they let people know very first minute they come in the market. What people see on Google, Realtor.ca and all this are rather delayed version of that. So if you really are serious about finding that perfect home, two things. First of all, find a really good professional real estate agent that can help you. Someone who can then really help you find those homes as fast as they become. Number two, define what your budget is. That's the number, very important. Find your price range. What are the range that you want to stay at? It's not like a factor, okay? Just what are the price you want to stay below at? And then have your agent sending you the homes the very first minute they come in the market. We have a system. We have a system that we can alert you with the homes the very first minute they come in the market. We have a system that we can also find some homes before even they come to market, or never make it to market, some off-market properties as well. And it doesn't cost you anything. It's $0. This mentality of window shopping in open houses and online, it's a complete waste of time. It's a disservice to yourself. When you are buying a home, this is a big ticket item. A lot of people, this is the biggest investment you usually do in your life. We want to go online and treat it like an Amazon shopping. It's up to you. But if you want to really make sure that you get the best price with all the things that you need in the best area within your budget, you got to plan that out, and you need a professional to help you. If you're looking for that professional, we can talk to you. There are so many good agents out there too. I'm Brian Khatambakhsh. I'm a real estate consultant. We help with our thing. We help people to make the right real estate decision. If you like what we put out here, like us, follow us. There's a lot to learn. And remember, you're only one decision away to buy that perfect home at the perfect price. Find a professional, commit to them, and demand the best from them. Until tomorrow, have a fantastic day.